What is up, guys? Welcome to RAM Overload. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix a black screen on Windows. Okay, so if you have your computer and the screen is black, you don't know why it's not working or not showing up properly, this is a few things you can try to make sure that it is up and running. So the first thing what you want to do is, if you have your computer on and nothing's displayed, you want to make sure that the wires are in correctly. Okay, so let me just show you over here. So we have this HDMI wire. You want to make sure it's in properly, as well as the power option. All right, certain monitors may just have one wire, like a USB-C, which will do for both. But if you have an HDMI or like a VGA cable or something, you will probably need a power cable as well. So make sure you have that enabled or plugged in also, and make sure it's plugged in from the outlet side as well. And then when you do plug it in, there will be like a light somewhere, like somewhere on the bottom over here, when the monitor is off or on, right? So not all of them have that, but certain ones have that. So that's the first thing you can try out. The second thing you can do is, on Windows, you want to press this combination, Control Shift Windows B. I know that's quite a bit, and let me just try with one hand. So yeah, you'll hear the beep sound, and then the screen will go black, and then kind of refresh. It's basically refreshing the monitor. So you want to try that next. All right. The third option is, last but not least, is to restart your computer. You can go to the Windows over here and then just restart it, or click the power option directly and then make sure it's restarted from there. Another thing I want to mention is, when you're checking the wires for, like, over here, you want to make sure that the other end is also plugged in. Okay, so you want to make sure it's plugged in on the graphics card as well. All right. Or just into your PC as well. So yeah, you want to make sure for that, and then also to refresh the screen, press Control Shift Windows B. So that will refresh the screen. And yeah, let me know if these helped you guys out. If it did, definitely give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.